Hi, my name is Michael with Atlas IED Training. In this video, we're going to be learning about design elements, how to place them in your project, and how to control their properties. So please follow along with your software in your computer as we learn about design elements. Let's get started.
We have some design elements we can take a look at. If we want to say the Blue Bridge is, and this amplifier is in the rack, and we want to designate that a rack area, we can bring in a rectangle, system rectangle we call it. So I dragged in a system rectangle. I'm going to grab the corner. So that is designated as the rack area. I can make it a thick line, I can say a 6-point line. And the color, I'm going to make it a blue color, click out of it, and there we have it. We have system labels. You can drag a label into this. They start out black, but you can make them any color that you'd like. I'm going to just go quick here. Text color, let's make it white. And this is, there we go, and we could change the point size on that. There we go. And there's our rack area. And we could designate different rooms and do things like that. If we were doing Dante, we could bring in Dante transmitters. And there's several elements. You should probably go through the list and play with it and take a look. Another great feature that we have with the Blue Bridge Designer is as you're working and as you're hitting this save icon up here, save project, we haven't saved it yet, so we'll give it a name. I have a file here on the desktop, and we'll just call it demo for today. So as you're working, the software is actually making backups. It makes 5 backups as you go, and it just keeps update. So if you have a corrupt file, you can go to one of the 5 backups and open up your project. Let's take a look at what we can do with the component properties pane. For instance, if we bring out, let's say just a generic audio component, for instance. Let me get rid of this. And it's just a 1 in, 1 out kind of nothing. Let's say you have a 8-channel mixer. You can click on that, highlight that box. You can say, I want to give it 8 channels of input because it's an 8-channel mixer. And it has, say, 3 outputs, left and right, stereo, and single aux. So you can build components, whatever you need. You can click on the box, you can give it a name, whatever the manufacturer is and what the part number is, so you can build your job. And that's kind of a nifty item. These are pretty much dumb boxes here on the outside. They don't do anything. It's basically for building your one-line functional diagram and kind of giving you a roadmap to what the job is. And this is really handy to hand out to installers. All the information's there. Everything for the job is on there. Wire, cable tags, all the components, what rooms they go in. We've got the rack. We could label that amp room. We could label this microphone west wall input plate, for instance. These speakers can be common area speakers. So you can build these areas with these rectangles and labels, and you've got yourself a nice one-line functional drawing. And in the background, you are building that bill of materials.
Hey, thanks for watching this tutorial. For more videos, go to atlasIED.com. This has been Blue Bridge, and we are Atlas IED.